The value that Concept Systems provides to its customers is it's difficult to quantify. We've got some amazing engineering talent. We tend to do an amazing job of supplying documentation and electrical schematics. We don't black box our code, so we're very open with whatever we learn. We're very willing to share our intellectual property with a lot of our customers, and basically what we really want from our customers is someone who's going to get engaged as well. We don't necessarily know their products like they do, and we don't want to know that, but we might know a great way to improve their process on those products. So we try to work with our customers to encourage them to learn our side of it and best apply it to their side.